Today we will be learning how to export variable labels in Excel file. Now let's see what actually we want to produce using this code. We want to produce a file containing the variable with variable labels. Our file must be look like that, variable and variable labels. So sometimes you need to produce these types of file for many purposes. I think this video will helpful for you. Now what we need to do this, first we have to reorganize the windows so that we can see the windows properly. So here is the code, you can see. So first we want to clean the windows. That are our primary windows. We want to clean this. So you can see that the windows have been cleaned. Next we want to reload the data. So you can see I have imported the data. Before running the rest of the reports, I want to delete the var labels because it may create the problems. So what's happened? Okay, we need to close this windows first, then we have to delete. Okay, now come to do file and run this code. Okay, we'll see what is happening in the main window. You can see the variables are being exported. Okay, already it has done. So now we will check this. So in a nice way I have exported the variable and variable labels. So I think this video will be helpful for you to many purposes.